I've been coming to Presbyterian Hospital for all the medical services in our family since we moved to Dallas in the early 80s, and we started coming to Southwest Imaging Center very soon after they opened their doors. We come here for all of our services, regardless of, sometimes you go to a doctor and they let you know that you require a certain test and they ask you if you wish to do it in their office, and if Southwest Imaging handles it, we prefer to have it here. We're used to very competent people here who are very caring and enthusiastic about the job that they do for us, and we come here often because we have a large family, and it doesn't matter at what time. Sometimes I may come in for a test at 8 p.m. in the evening, and they're just as courteous and friendly